Dear students, these are some important formulas regarding Avogadro's number or calculating number of molecules, number of ions, number of atoms, or number of electron, proton, etc. So students, in the previous short lecture, we have discussed that mole is equal to total number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. So by cross multiplication, we will get number of molecules is equal to number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number. This is the simple formula for calculating total number of molecules. It will be equal to by multiplying mole with Avogadro's number. Similarly, in the second formula, as total number of atoms in one molecule will be equal to number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number and atomicity. Atomicity means total number of atoms in a molecule. For example, in water or in carbon dioxide, we know that there are one carbon and two oxygen. So the total number of atoms in this carbon dioxides are equal to 3. So the atomicity in carbon dioxide are 3. Similarly, students, formula number 3. By calculating total number of electrons in a molecule will be equal to number of mole or simple mole multiplied by Avogadro number multiplied by number of electrons in one molecule. A molecule mean in one molecule. Okay. In formula number 4, by calculating total number of protons in one molecule will be equal to number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number multiplied by number of protons in one molecule. This is the formula for calculating total number of protons in one molecule. Similarly, students, by calculating total number of neutrons in one molecule will be equal to number of mole or simple mole multiplied by Avogadro number multiplied by number of neutrons in one molecule. These three formulas are same by calculating total number of neutrons or protons or electrons. Similarly, in formula number 6, by calculating total charge on any ion, it may be positive ion or negative ion, mean it may be anion or cation. So by calculating total charge on any ion will be equal to mole multiplied by Avogadro number multiplied by charge on one ion, it will be positive or negative, multiplied by the charge which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this is the formula for calculating total charge on any ion. Similarly, students, this formula is same as we have discussed in this lecture, the formula of use for the formula number 1. But in formula number 1, it was number of molecules. But you will take this particle as a common. Particles are equal to number of molecules, number of ions, number of atoms, or number of formula units, etc. So it is also equal to number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number. Students, in the previous lecture, in short video, we have discussed that mole is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. So when the amount are given in mass, so you will put the value of mole in this formula. Similarly, mole is also equal to volume divided by molar volume. As when the required value are given in the volume, so we'll use this formula in place of mole. Similarly, students, mole is also equal to molarity multiplied by volume of a solution in liter or in dm cube, as liter and dm cube are same value. So you will also use the value of mole in this formula when the value are given in molarity. So these are